Search for Netflix Next World and join the game. Now click on WWE logo and you will be teleported to a new location. Now go and talk to the NPC.
Okay.
And you will be teleported to the event place. Here you will be asked to choose a mentor. You can choose any. After a little bit of customization, go here. Here, you have to choose an opponent to fight. Watch me. And you have win the fight here. You need to choose the right card to defeat your opponent. Even if you lose, you get some experience points. But winning gives you more experience points. You have to reach legend rank to get one free mask. After that you need to rebirth and choose another mentor, and in the same way again you have to achieve legend rank. You also need to max out the level of the cards to get another mask item. The max level of the cards is 20, but the getting it is rare. So while you are playing, open the premium cards so that you have high chances of getting a level 20 cards. You will get these 3 masks from that game. Make sure you get it on time. Next, join Roblox Innovation Awards 2023. Here, climb on any of the mountain and complete the Spleef Challenge. You need 2 players to start the game. Once you win the challenge, you will get the free mask. By the way, shout out for this guy for subscribing my channel. You will get this cool blue mask from that game. Next, join Superpower Simulator. Go to the blue NPC and get the quest. The quest is simple. You just have to train 10 strength. After you are done, talk back to the NPC to get the free item. You will get this hero mask. Next, join Roblox Creator Challenge with this logo. Here just you have to answer these simple questions. Even if you don't know, just spam random until you get the right answer. Now, watch me. You will get this cool head accessory.